Right, first things first, I did not buy these, they were sent to me direct, so thank you very much for that. This is from QCY, Be Creative, Go Beyond. And they're earbuds. Let me give you a bit of spec. So wireless earbuds, Bluetooth 5.2 headphones with aptX adaptive sound. That make any sense to you? What do you mean none? That doesn't make no sense to me neither. It has 30-hour playtime, comfort, Snapdragon studio sound quality. So sound quality is what it's all about in it. Sound quality, and obviously, you know, the transmitting, being able to receive information, you know, phone calls, stuff like that, or be able to listen to music, or even watch YouTube, you know, and be able to hear it. So hopefully these are pretty good. Don't buy that. So with that, oh, it's a couple of barcodes on there, or Q codes I should say. What's that say? No idea, I can't read it. Or have I got that upside down? Ah, upside down, QCY. I would have got an app. And their website. So an app, it says QCY app, and their website. Interesting. Right, let's get it open, shall we? I'm sure you want to see what's in the box. Oh, okay. That way. So the white, that's the charging station. Get it out of there. Come on, baby, come on. Oh, that's unusual. Normally you get your earbuds, are normally on the inside, isn't they? Already, you know, sitting there. We have some spare caps, and there will be big ones and smaller ones. I'm not going to get them out because we know what they are, and they're white as well. So we should have roughly the medium ones on it. Oh, there's a little bit of plastic on there. Make sure you take all the plastic off if you're going to be using some of these. And the reason I say that is because in the past I've had people say, oh, can you tell me why my earbuds are not charging up? Yes, I can. It's because you left a bit of plastic on the actual contactors then. Yeah, so it won't charge up. But these ones look alright. We have first time use. Okay, I might have to read that. Okay, instructions. And a charging cable, which is probably about, well, I'd say it's probably about 100 mil. If that, I'm going to leave that in now. Is that a USB to a USB Type-C connection? Let me just double check. Yes, a USB Type-C connection. Is it worth getting out? You know what it is. Do you want it out? All right then. Things I have to do for you. Oh, come on, can't get it out now. There you go. USB to USB Type-C connection. Just standard. And the earbuds with their little logo on it. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Is there a bit more plastic on there? Looks like there is, doesn't it? I think there is. There is a bit of plastic. Didn't see that one, did I? What about that one? Is that the same? There is. Another bit. Get off. It's stuck on my finger now. Right, earbuds. First impressions there look nice. Now, which one's left and which? I think it's that way, isn't it? Yeah? I don't know. Let's try it the other way around. Oh, it might be like that. Right, let's open up the charger. So, little light there when it lights up. The logo on the side, and voila. Right, left and right. Now we will find out. Ah, so I got it right. I got it right second time round. So left and right. So they need charging up, perhaps. And the light's not coming on. Does that mean? Oh, it's got to be shut. Right, we have a blue light for charging, I'm guessing, and that's gone out. So it's either fully charged. Oh, it's come back on now. Oh, no, they're lighting up now, so they must be powered up. Right, let's have a quick look and see if it comes up on my phone. So get the Bluetooth up. Bluetooth. They are the B18s, isn't they? Oh, QCY T18s. Them little babies there. It says pairing. Hang on. Oh, it's made a tune. Are we? Battery levels at 18. Oh, that was easy enough. Don't want to unpair it, do I? Right, let's have a quick play of music before I read the instructions. Yeah, working. Plays music. Bit of fluff on there. Oh. Pause. Right, where have I got to tap it? I suppose it's there, isn't it? Right, okay. Put it back in. Oh. Oh, it's double tap. It's unusual. What does hold do? Ah. Right, hold it in, go to the next track, if you do the right one. Hold it in on the left, goes back track. Sussed that out, didn't I? Double tap definitely pauses it. What's treble tap do? Do double first. It gets Google and ask Alexa. We don't ask Alexa or Google. Hang on. Oh, done 4. Right, how do you adjust the volume? Don't know. Pause it. Right, I am going to read you the instructions because I don't know how to do everything. Like, up the volume. If you can up the volume. Some earbuds do not have volume adjustment actually on the earbuds. You have to do it within your device, like your phone and that. Which I don't mind either way actually, it doesn't bother me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a read of the instructions and find out exactly how everything works. We've already sussed out how to connect it and that was a piece of cake, wasn't it? As it should be anyway, they're earbuds. It should be very easy to actually use and understand how to connect them to a device. It doesn't have to be a phone, it can be a tablet, a PC if you've got Bluetooth, anything like that. It should work quite easily. So with that, I'll be back as soon as I've charged it up fully and found out how to navigate on the controls. Right, give me a second. She's all charged up and raring to go, and yes, I did have a good read of the instructions and there was no volume control as such, but there is an app you can download, which I've downloaded, and there's a QR code actually on the instructions for you to download it. So just scan that, takes you to the App Store, you download it, you do your usual, you know, register the actual piece of software, do login, give it access, otherwise it won't work anyway, and voila! You can now go into the settings and actually adjust. Yeah, you can actually adjust the settings. So say for instance you want one tap for volume up and volume down. So right hand side one tap volume up, left hand side volume down, you can. Or if you want 2 taps for the volume, you can. You can set it up as you want. So if you're not happy the way they set it up, you can change it. And I thought that's a really good idea. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to quickly go through how to do it. I'm going to show you how to connect the earbuds. They must be out of the case for a start, okay? No point in leaving them in there because when you're in there it's saying, oh look, we're closed, we're shut. So you need to get them out. I've already installed them, but I'm going to quickly show you how to do it. So click on there and you've got 2 options. You can either scan to add, which because I already added it anyway, it didn't come up nothing, couldn't find nothing. Or you can go to all buds. select which one you want, and we are doing the 218s, them little babies there, okay? So you select what model you want, click on that, and it will add them. But make sure these are out of the case, okay? And turned on, of course. I believe if you need to turn them on, I think you just hold the button in for so many seconds. I think 3 or 5, and then it just comes on. So you've done that, you've added it, and you gave it access, allow whatever you need to allow it to do. Now then, this is the fun part, and I thought, oh, that's really good. I've already had a go of it and done it anyway. So you can use it to play music. You can either get to play music from your phone or device or from somewhere else. You just add it. Now, if you scroll along again, we have left and right. So left, right. I believe that's right. And the best way to find out, it says see game mode, yeah? If I tap that 3 times, voila, we're in game mode. Get off. See? Easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Then, volume control. Like I said, I've already set it up. So, left hand side is volume down, and right hand side is volume up. See? Minus, plus. Yeah? And you can change it. You know, one press for game mode if you wanted. Or skip track. Yeah, very clever. I thought, I've not seen that before. That's a first for me. So, let's try it then. So 1 click. It won't work. And the reason it won't work, we've got no music playing. I think you have to have music playing, don't you? We will see. Operating music. Oh, sorry, opening music. Do you want to turn the music player on? Of course I do. I've got music player. I don't know. Member number 5, yeah? Right, let's see if she works. There she goes. Come on. Works perfectly. I can hear that from here. Oh, don't you? I pressed it 3 times. Oops. Right, should. See, works. Getting carried away then. Right, so yeah, very simple to use. Once you set it up, it's quite easy to set up. As I showed you just a minute ago, it's very easy. It's quite unique in the fact that, you know, you've got an app. I don't know many that come with an app. And I thought, oh, that is a really, really good idea. Now then, you must be wondering what the quality of audio is. And yeah, spot on. Nice bit of bass. It's not too bassy, but it's got a nice bit of bass to it and a nice bit of treble. You can hear him singing very clearly. And I've had a few goes on phone calls, well actually 2, and yeah, could hear everything. They could hear me. You do have to point. Apparently, you have to point your this bit. Yeah, you have to point it sort of like that way a little bit, according to the instructions. But didn't seem to make much difference anyway. You could hear me nice and clear. I could hear her nice and clear. Yeah, works. I love the app. I think it's a brilliant idea, especially if you've got used to setting up, you know, earbuds in a certain way, like 1 click for the volume or 2 clicks for the volume. You can change it all. I thought that was really good. Can't think of a downside. I'm trying to think of one, and I can't think of one. Obviously I can't try it out. Excuse me. Obviously I can't try, well I suppose I could, how long the actual battery lasts on a full charge, but I would imagine it'd be round that figure. It depends how much you use it. So with that, let me know in the comments whether you think that is a good idea of having an app so that you can change the settings, because I think it's a good idea. me personally. Yeah, so with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thanks very much for watching.